Welcome back to the Yeet tutorials. In this video, we walk through the installation of Yeet step by step and take a brief look at the relevant files afterward. For the installation, we need the installer file, yeetsetup.exe. We start it. We confirm that changes are allowed to be made to the system. In the next window, we select the language. For this tutorial, we choose German. Then we set the installation path. By default, Yeet installs on drive C in the Programs folder. In the next step, we choose whether to start a local test configuration or set up an online version using HTTPS. For the HTTPS option, a corresponding domain must be entered. We also need a certificate. The certificate can be selected via the dialog or entered manually. In this example, I use a dummy certificate. If selecting the certificate does not work, you can copy the certificate path and paste it in manually. Then you enter the certificate password. If needed, it can also be displayed. For this tutorial, however, we complete a local configuration. We click Next. The configuration is now being created. After that, we confirm the program path and start the installation. Yeet is now being installed. Once the installation is finished, we click Finish. Yeet starts automatically from the local path. Here we can log in and select our database. Finally, we take a quick look at the installation folder. It is located on drive C in the Programs folder. There you will find the required guides as well as the configuration files that will be relevant later. This completes the Yeet installation. You now know how the setup works and where the key files are stored for later configuration and administration.